Welcome back. Now you can see that our virtual machine is created and now we are going to install operating system on it. So for the installation of operating system, we just need to click on this power on this virtual machine option here, and this process will be initiated. Here you can see that process begin loading files, and here we go with the installation process of server 2016 on my VMware infrastructure or in my VMware workstation environment. So I'll follow the simple options related to the installation, and now setup is starting over here. And now it will ask me about some few simple questions, and after implementing or answering all these questions, the installation process will be simply done. Here you can see that now it's asking me about the operating system version, and I'll go with the Windows Server 2016 standard and click on the next button. I can also select any other version as per my own requirement. Now copying Windows file process initiated, I am going to pause the installation process and will continue because now it's time that it will take a few minutes here. So I'm going to pause the video and will back with the second option as this operating system installation will ask me. Now you can see that getting files ready for installation, and after this we will go to the next step. By time, here you can see that now we are going with further options, and now we are going to restart the virtual machine. Now our virtual machine is restarted and initiated the next phase of installation. You can analyze from here. Here you can see getting ready, installing device drivers and other requirements related to the operating system, and within few restarts this installation will be completed. Now you can see that deployment, image servicing and management tools and other requirements are going to installed on this virtual machine. Here you can see that our installation process completed, and now server 2016 operating system is installed completely. Now we are going with the virtual machine customization options and other demos during this training. So let's go with further demos.